Hiker Jay here. This week I'm out on an island and it really makes me think about what it's like to be in a situation where there could be a hurricane or a disaster and you're left without food and support. So Valley Food Storage sent me this a while ago to share with you all, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity. So this is a 70 serving kit. I'll put the link down below so you can check them out yourself and get some, but I'm gonna walk you through what comes in one, and then we're gonna cook one up and try it out too. So they come in these basic packets, resealable, and then instructions on the back. So this one is chicken teriyaki. We've got maple brown sugar oatmeal. That's a breakfast. Apple cream of wheat breakfast. Alfredo. Oh, that one was strawberry oatmeal, and then dried potatoes. So this one has 10 servings in it, so it's resealable, so you'll have it with a certain meal, seal it up, and then use it again. Everything is just to add water, so that's real simple. If you've got a water purification type system or water on hand in storage, that's good too. Banana chips, that's kind of a breakfasty snack thing. Old Faithful mac and cheese, the last three. Irish pub cheddar soup, ooh, that sounds good. Italian wild risotto, and chicken a la king. So you get a lot of food with all this, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make up this chicken teriyaki. So it's 5 servings. I'm not gonna make it all up because it's sealed, so I'll just make enough for myself right now to taste it and test it out. So it has the instructions on here. Bring 1.5 cups of water to boil, add 1/2 cup of this to the mix to boil, stir well, cover and lower heat to simmer, stir occasionally so it doesn't stick. Cooks for about 20 minutes and then let cool and eat. So we're gonna try this one out. Let's do it. I got my little camp stove because I think if you're gonna be in a situation like this, you should have a secondary stove type system, and I have my backpacking stove, so we're gonna use that today. All right, so I cut the recipe down in half so that I'm just making a small serving. So let's open this, and you wanna tear it so that you don't tear into the rezip, which I really like. Oh man, it smells really good. I'm not sure if you want to check it out, if you can see it in there or not, but it's all freeze dried and it's just add water. All right, now we got a good steam going on. I'm gonna take the lid off and we're gonna add about 1/2 cup. Actually, we're gonna do a little less than 1/2 cup. That should be plenty because I didn't put as much water in here. So we'll stir it around. They say stir it from time to time so that it doesn't get stuck to the sides. I dropped the heat down so it's going to simmer, and we'll let that kind of simmer boil for 20 minutes now. We'll seal this up. So this does come sealable. You want to get as much air out of it. It does have these little packets in here to keep moisture down too. Make sure you keep that in there. Definitely don't put that in the water with the actual mix, but we'll seal that up, and now we'll have this for later. All right, let's just let her cook up now, and we'll get back in 20 minutes. 10 minutes in, and you can see how well it is thickening up now. It's got pineapple in there, rice, chicken broth. All right, I'll put it out in this pan here so you can see. So there you go, there's the chicken teriyaki. We've got the pineapple, the chicken broth, and the rice all in here, and peas. Let's see if I can cool it off enough to try it. Still pretty hot. Yeah, the rice has fluffed right back up. Peas are good. Just really hot right now. So if you're interested in getting any of this yourself, they have a bunch of different kits. Go ahead and hit the link down below. And they are sometimes out of stuff, but just check back because there's pretty high demand right now. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy, and always, always be prepared.